Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 4 simple steps on how to fix your control key is not working in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So look at the keyboard. You can see there are two control keys being placed. So you can see control key being placed at the left and a control key being placed at the right. And if those both control keys are not working, then this video will fix it. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the start icon. Please do a right click and then please scroll up and click on device manager. Here at the device manager, okay, you need to proceed at the driver named keyboard. So all you need to do is you need to select on it, click this forward arrow, and you would be able to see your keyboard driver. Please do a right click and go with this update driver. So this window will up you to choose two options, and that are search automatically for drivers and browse my computer for drivers manually. So please proceed on the first. And if your computer says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then navigate on the second option, which is to search for updated drivers on Windows Update. And in this way, your machine or your computer will search for updated drivers. All you need to do is you need to download it and install that in your Windows or your computer and check if your control key is now working. Okay, however, if not, then you need to navigate the same step, and that is to do a right click here at the start icon, go with device manager. So in the second method, you need to proceed with the keyboards again. Click this forward arrow, go with your keyboard driver, do a right click and go with update driver. So it will up you to choose two options, but this time you need to select for browse my computer for drivers to locate and install a driver manually. Here, please proceed with the second option, which is let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Please click on it and it will show you the compatible driver. Just select on it, click on next, and install that in your Windows or computer. Once you're done, please restart your computer. So by that, please navigate to the start icon, go with your power menu options, okay, and click on restart. However, if your problem was not being fixed, then we need to move on to the third method, and that is here at the bottom search bar. Please type for CMD. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match should appear, and once it's here, click on the option called Run as Administrator. If your user account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you can bring up this command prompt as administrator. So in this blue area, please do a right click and go with this option called properties so that you would be able to bring up the command properties. Now, one of the factor why you face an error is that this is being off. Okay, so it is very important to turn it on so that you can use Control Shift and Z as a copy paste. So by that, click on OK. Okay, click on OK and check if your problem has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to move on to the fourth and last method. And by that, please do a right click here at the start icon, navigate to Device Manager, please click on it. And from here, you need to move that here at the center. Proceed with the keyboards. Please click on it and go with this forward arrow. Select your keyboard driver. Please do a right click and go with uninstall device. Now, please click on uninstall because I want to assure you that this step is harmless because the moment you've clicked on uninstall and you just have to restart your computer, and once you have restarted it, it will be automatically installed again in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you don't have anything to worry about. So by that, please check if your control key, both at the left and the right keys, is working. I'm sure it will be working this time on. Okay? So those are the 4 simple methods on how to fix your control keys is not working. Hopefully, one of those steps help you to fix it. If yes, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.